Come on. You want to walk? Let's go. Come on. Up. Walk. Walk. Walk to the couch. Good. Come here. Come get Dada. Good girl. Okay, now go walk to the couch. Slow your roll. Slow your roll. Good girl. Now walk to Daddy. Come on. Show Mama. Slow your roll. Slow your roll. Okay. Take your time. Take your time. Good. Come here, Stinky. Show Mama what you can do. Oh. Get up. Again. 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 Again, Grasshopper. Come on. Come on. I'll help you. Okay. I know. Okay, get up. See? Now back this way. Come here. Come to Daddy. Come here, crazy. Come on. All right. All right. Yes. I seen that. I know. Get up and do it again. Again. Come here. Yeah, do it again. Get up. This is, you have to do it yourself. This is training. Okay? Okay. Now go to the couch. Go get the couch. Go on. That's a girl. Come here. Take your time. Take your time. Hands up. Hands up. All right. Good girl. Dada did it, huh? Uh-oh. Get up. Come on. Come on, little walker. Good. Slow down. Again. Come on. You've been doing this for 10 minutes. Uh-oh. Ah, yeah. Oh, come here. Let me help you up. Okay, turn around. Let's go get the couch now. Go get it. Slow, slow. That's a girl. Come on. Come on, Yingies. Yes. You're crazy. You are crazy. We're gonna get that couch now? That couch to that couch? I know, you're going everywhere. Over here. Right here. Come on. I'm just another couch. Oh, darn it. Almost, Stinky. Come on. Don't give up. Don't give up. Let's learn. Let's learn how to walk. That's good. I know. This kid. Go get a couch. Go find a couch. Go get a couch. Go get a couch. Go get a couch. There's one. 1, 2, 3. Get up. Get up. Which couch? Go get a couch. Uh-oh. Look at you. Almost. Here. Come here. Okay. Put your tongue in. Okay. Focus. Focus. Grasshopper.